Why is Fabric using /bin/sh? I am trying to run some commands on a remote server. I need to source some bash files there. Unfortunately, it seems Fabric has, suddenly, recently, started using /bin/sh, and it breaks because I use bash syntax in my scripts. I have found this. If shell is true, the default run will execute the given command string via a shell interpreter, the value of which may be controlled by setting end.shell, defaulting to something similar to /bin/bash lc. Any double quote or $, characters in command will be automatically escaped when shell is true. I have not changed end.shell, so I do not know why Fabric starts using sh. In any case, I am overwriting it, but still no luck. What could be causing this? What can I do to force Fabric to use bash?
It took some digging, but this is what I found. It is possible to see what Fabric is doing behind the scenes. It turned out it is not Fabric using /bin/sh, but, since I was, in this particular case, running local commands, the culprit was the subprocess module. In order to specify the shell to be used, you need to specify shell equals true and executable equals /bin/bash.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.